If your lawn is not reaching its full potential, you probably need a soil sample. Good day, everyone. Dante here with United Lawn Specialists with another lawn care tip. Broomsedge is a non-preventable grassy weed and is commonly found in Bermuda lawns with a low soil fertility or a low soil pH level. There are at least two conditions that favor broomsedge invasion. The number one reason is poor soil fertility. When soil fertility and or soil pH are not appropriate for active growth of desired forage plants, broomsedge often becomes a problem. Poor soil fertility is very common in newly built homes. Lawns depleted of nutrients or with highly acidic soils create conditions unfavorable for growth of most Bermuda lawns. At the same time, these soil conditions are favorable for broomsedge growth, and competitiveness causes it to become a problem for the lawn. Maintaining soil fertility and pH is the best option for controlling broomsedge emergence. If it is already a problem in the lawn, bringing soil fertility and pH back to the recommended level based on soil test recommendations is the first step. For soil test in Georgia, you'll need about 2 cups of dry soil collected from the lawn. A spade shovel is perfect for this job, as you will need to dig about 4 inches deep to collect the sample and mix it thoroughly in a clean plastic bag. After the sample is collected, we take it to the county extension office where it is then shipped to the University of Georgia for testing. There are no safe herbicide options that will remove broomsedge without risk of injury to the Bermuda lawn. Glyphosate, which is the active ingredient in Roundup as a spot treatment, will kill and control broomsedge. However, it will leave a mark on the lawn that will eventually recover. Broomsedge does have a very shallow root system, so digging this out by the root is an effective way to control this non-preventable grassy weed. That's our lawn care tip for today. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.